So today I'm going to be decluttering all my stick lipsticks. So not my bullet lipsticks, these are just like pencil, there's a better word, pencil lipsticks. I actually don't have very many. I did a huge declutter a few months ago and I literally got rid of a lot, but I will tell you, I'm probably gonna get rid of more because some of these are probably have gone bad. And right off the top, I know this one has already gone bad. This is the Buxom True Nude Lip Foundation. I'm not gonna even open it because it smells horrid. I already threw away 2 other ones a few months ago and I didn't realize I still had this one. But I loved these. I wish they still sold them. They were like kind of matching your perfect nude shade. Had tons of different nudes for different skin tones. I don't know why they got rid of them because those are just so good. But I'm throwing that away. I'm also probably... That's pretty. I don't know. That's a maybe. I'm not there yet. Okay, I bought all of the original ColourPop lippy sticks way back in the day. And the last ones left living is Lumiere, Contempo, and Frida. I know for sure without a doubt I'm keeping Lumiere and Frida. Those are the only 2 that I consistently wear. And I know that I like those on me. This one doesn't have a smell. I don't know. Oh, that's so pretty. I think I'm gonna hold on to that one for now too. Again, they're the only 3 that I have left, so I don't feel too bad. All right, I know I'm gonna keep, oh my heck. I know I'm going to keep the Buxom pencils. I just got these in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, so those are fairly new. So I think, or I know I'm going to keep those ones. These NARS, this was a birthday gift a couple years ago. This is in the Rugigan, I don't know, I can't say it. And the color is absolutely gorgeous. My mom actually gave me hers, she didn't like it. So I'm going to keep those as well. And then, what is this? This is by Buxom. But this I know is fairly new. Full on lipstick in the color. I can't see a color name. I can't see a color name. Not really impressed. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna get rid of that one. So then all that's left are these Bite Beauty Sticks. So I have 2. These are in the color Heritage and Rhubarb. I'm pretty sure that I like Rhubarb. Yes, I like Rhubarb, so that one's staying. This one I don't think I've ever used. This is an I don't know. I don't know. I might want to try it on because I don't know about that color. I'm going to try it on. Okay. These 3 I know are quite old. They might not even be good. I'm afraid to take the lid off because if they smell, I hate that smell. Oh, they don't have a smell. Weird. This is like a purple, which I know I won't wear. So I'm probably going to toss that because it's so old. This one is in the color Kumquat, which I love just to say that. No smell. And I know I won't wear that pink really anymore, so. And then this one is in Sweetie, which I think I wore the most out of all these. Oh, that's so pretty. But I really, again, don't really wear that. This one kind of has a smell. I think I'm just going to throw those out. All right, and then last are these. This one, are any of these double-ended? No. Okay, let's just go through the last 4. This one is Lola. It's kind of a pink color. This one is Sophie. So my camera died, so I had to switch the battery. This one is in the color Sophie, and it is also a pink. And this one is in the color Aubergine, which is kind of a nice plum. And then this last one is in amaretto. None of them have a smell, so that's good. So let's see. This one I think I'm going to keep. It's a nice nude, and I like nudes. So that one I'm going to keep. This one, that is kind of unique. I think I'm going to keep this one, because that I have more chance of wearing that than some of these other colors. See, like that one I probably will not wear. So no use in keeping that. And this one, I mean, I would probably wear more than the others, but again, probably not. So, okay. So I think for now I'm going to keep this, but I'm going to get rid of that. So in my pencil lipsticks, I am only keeping 11. I am tossing and throwing away 4, and I'm going to declutter into my bin 4 as well. So I think I did pretty good. Not too many. I don't know. Not bad. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.